Welcome to this SkillPad video resource where we make learning fun. In this video, we are going to look at sexual reproduction in plants, a phenomenon that is as fascinating as flowers in bloom. Have you ever wondered how a single flower can give rise to a fruit, brimming with seeds, each carrying the potential to become a new plant? This fascinating journey from flower to fruit is the story of sexual reproduction in plants. The adventure begins with the flower, nature's marvel of design and function. A flower usually comprises four parts: the sepals, petals, stamens, and carpels. The sepals protect the flower bud, while the petals, with their vibrant colors and enticing fragrances, attract pollinators. The real action, however, takes place in the stamens and carpels, the reproductive organs of the flower. Stamens produce pollen, the male gametes, while carpels house the ovules, the female gametes. The process of sexual reproduction in plants kicks off with pollination. This is when pollen grains from the stamen land on the stigma, a part of the carpel. Pollination can be self-pollination, where pollen from the same flower or plant fertilizes the ovule, or cross-pollination, where pollen from a different plant does the same. Cross-pollination, aided by wind, water, or animals, increases genetic diversity and contributes to the plant's resilience. Once a pollen grain lands on the stigma, it germinates, sending down a pollen tube through the style to reach the ovule in the ovary. This is the start of fertilization. In a process unique to plants called double fertilization, two sperm cells are delivered to the ovule. One sperm fertilizes the egg cell to form a zygote, which develops into an embryo. The other sperm fuses with two other cells in the ovule to form the endosperm, which will nourish the growing embryo. After fertilization, the ovule transforms into a seed, encapsulating the embryo and endosperm. The ovary, on the other hand, morphs into a fruit, sheltering the seeds and aiding in their dispersal. Seeds and fruits, while distinct structurally and functionally, work together in the grand scheme of plant reproduction. Seed dispersal is crucial to the survival and propagation of plant species. Various agents assist in this process, including wind, water, animals, and even explosive mechanisms inherent to the plant. The structure of the fruit or seed often hints at its dispersal method. For example, lightweight winged seeds are likely wind dispersed, while fleshy, tasty fruits are often animal dispersed. Plants have evolved numerous strategies to regulate fertilization. Some plants limit self-fertilization through mechanisms like dichogamy, which is the production of male and female reproductive organs at different times. Self-incompatibility, where the gametes of the same plant cannot undergo fertilization. And dioecious arrangement, where they have male reproductive organs in one plant and female organs in another. Others, however, promote self-fertilization, ensuring reproduction in the absence of pollinators or mates. To recap, sexual reproduction in plants is a complex, beautifully orchestrated process. Starting with the flower, nature's reproductive marvel, it proceeds through pollination and double fertilization, creating seeds and fruits that ensure the plant's legacy. This process involves intricate mechanisms and strategies, fine-tuned by evolution to maximize survival and propagation. From the vibrant petals to the humble seeds, every aspect of a plant's life cycle contributes to the fascinating saga of plant reproduction. Thank you for using this SkillPad video resource. We hope it made your learning experience a lot better. Come along as we explore the world of science for your learning pleasure. We hope to see you again soon.